Morning guys, it's been a while since I've done a proper intro. Showed my face a little bit, but I wanted to say hey and good morning and wish you all a good day. So the old Tundra here, it's got quite a bit of weight. It actually handled it pretty well. But I got 30 bags of these in here, so do the math. They're 80-pound bags. So yeah, man, 2,400 pounds. Plus some rebar, plus some chicken feed. You know, this thing's, we took it easy, but it handled it really well. On the front here, I had showed this a little bit yesterday, but yeah, 36 bags seems like a lot of concrete, but it looks like approximately 3 bags per hole, and I got 12 holes. But yeah, so we'll see if we got some extra. Anyway, so that's the plan, is to try to get this mixed up and poured today, get the sonotube set, get the rebar set, and then mix concrete. So trying to get this all ready to go so we can frame up these porches. That's the plan. So got to think about what I'm thankful for today. I think one thing I'm thankful for today is sleep at night. You know, sleep is, sometimes it's underrated. We need some good sleep. I apologize, it's kind of bright out here, so I'm squinting, but I am looking forward to having a real bed again someday instead of the camper bed. I helped the truck out a little bit last night. I got 480 pounds mixed, so that helped it out, but I'm going to get that emptied out the rest of the day. Alright, so I guess I didn't get footage. I was so busy mixing concrete, but this shows it kind of with the brackets set on this part. I'm going to show in the next video. But then also on the back here, I got these poured, and I think I went through 30 bags of concrete, so I was really close. I had 6 on hand, so I had a few left over. So got these all poured, and next we'll start building the porches. So thanks for watching, guys.